There we go. Get him right there, get him. Don't let him up, hold on to him. Come on, he's got him. Don't let him over. Right there. He shouldn't have moved. There you go. Right there, slap it. There you go, Tice!
Up next, at 145 pounds, in our last match of the night, Cameron Lawrence.
Say, last match of the night. I think he just took the thing.